Okay, we're here at Roland's facility in Metropolis Studios in London and looking at some new gear, and we've got a new boutique.
Yes, finally. So this is, well, kind of new and old. So this is the JU06a. I don't know if you know, but we made the model called JU06, which obviously you know that one.
I think I reviewed that actually, and it was really close to the Juno 106.
Yeah. So the thing is with that one is it became so popular, like it sold out really quickly, and people are still today asking for it constantly. So what we've done is we've made a new Juno 106, but also with a Juno 60 as well. So it's still something new.
Now we're talking, because I mean the difference is Juno 106, for those perhaps don't know, is DCOs. Juno 60 was VCOs.
Yeah.
And many people that say the Juno 60 also had memories, didn't it? Was the one. So this is essentially the same thing. It's 4 voices, right?
Yes. So it's 4 voices. It's the same price category, and we still got a really cool sequencer on board. But now we also added actually a clock input. So you can now trigger the sequencer of a Juno, which is pretty cool compared to the other one that didn't actually have it.
Okay.
Also,
and an arpeggiator.
Yes, we've added an arpeggiator too, which is also something a lot of people asked for in the JU06.
Okay, we got to hear it.
Yeah, cool. So let's have a listen to. First, we have this is the good old 106 engine.
So we listen to 106 here.
Yeah. So that's the Juno 106, and these familiar cave sounds as well.
Yeah, that lovely peaky VCF.
Yeah. Some nice plucks.
And there's a delay on here as well.
Yeah. Delay, and of course the famous Juno chorus is on
where
there.
you can hit them both together to get
exactly,
to get that kind of weird chorus that was at the third mode.
Yeah, and then we can switch over to the 60 engine and have a.
Yeah, a lot of people use the 60 as a bass sound as well, didn't they?
Yeah. I love the Juno basses. That's like one of my absolute favorite things. And some blobby filtering, and then we can have a listen to some arpeggio as well. So we got now an arpeggiator as well. So we actually replaced those, the pitch and modulation sliders with arpeggiator.
Some more mode buttons. That makes sense.
So we can just put a little arpeggio thing in here. We maybe want to speed it up a little bit, or we can go here. We also have the different arpeggio modes, so we can go up, just up and down, or just down.
So this has got a bit of noise in it and a sub oscillator.
Yeah.
And then a high pass fully variable high pass filter.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we can just also have a little pad as well.
It's definitely got the evocative sounds of the original 60. So is this going to be another limited edition, or is this going to? Because I never really understood why did you do limited edition boutiques? Because everybody wants them.
I think the original boutiques were the first trio that were limited edition. They weren't really planned to be, I guess, as huge as they became. So it was more of a novelty product rather than to be considered like. I mean, it's a great sound engine and everything, but it was more of that kind of novelty thing and and a nostalgic thing. But then it actually became something that became a bit of a standard that a lot of people use. So we made another run of them, but they also ran out really quickly, and. This one is not officially a limited edition. So,
but this is going to be available. I noticed you've got an external clock in there as well, so that can take an external.
Yes, exactly. So we got an external clock input, so you can take a trigger from your trigger output of your TR series, for instance, or anything that sends a gate signal essentially. So that's a really nice, cool thing to have a listen to. Actually, I would like to show you just quickly the sequencer as well. So. If we go into the sequencer here, I can choose a pattern. We have number 2. That's cool. And my Juno 60 bass once again, and I'll play it back. So here's a little bass line. And Now we also have, actually we did have these in the older Boutiiques too, but just to kind of reiterate that we do have the different play modes for the sequencer. So once again, we can go normal, or we can go reverse and so on. And my favorite is always random. So we could just set random steps here and just play the sequence back again. And we can turn some steps off if we want to. Yeah, so that's a really cool thing with the sequencer too.
Excellent. So same price as the Boutique. Do you know what the price of this guy is?
Yes, this will be in the £350 range, of £349 and then €399.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I really like that. It's a small thing, but there's something about the shade of the panel, which is like a sort of slightly dirty black.
Yeah,
If there is such a thing, it sort of almost looks old. I like what you've done.
Definitely.
And this is going to be available right away, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
Excellent.
Yeah.
David, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers.